Do you want to learn how you can convert any type of image into a Ghibli style using AI? Then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do just that. So in this video, we are going to use two amazing AI tools to convert our image into Ghibli style. And also at the end of the video, we are going to compare the results and see which one is the best. So let's move on to the first AI tool. So open your browser. Then the first AI tool we'll be using is ChatGPT. So go to chatgpt.com. So this is ChatGPT. So you come to this particular three dots here. So you click on it. Then you click on create image. So this particular create image text will be here. So what we need to do is to upload our image onto ChatGPT. So I've downloaded an image from pixels.com. So you can go to pixel.com and download any image you want to use, or you can use any image on your computer for this tutorial. So you click on this plus icon here. So let's click on it. Then you click on upload from computer. So now you select the image you want to use. Then you come and click on open. So you wait for your image to be uploaded. Then when it's done, you come to where you type your prompt. Then you type convert this image into Ghibli style. Then when you are done with your prompt, then you come and click on this arrow here. So now as you can see, ChatGPT is converting our image, and it takes a lot of time, between 2 minutes to about 5 minutes. So wait for a while for ChatGPT to convert your image for you.
2,000 years later.
So as you can see, our image has been converted into Ghibli style. So if you want to download the image onto your computer, what you need to do is to come and click on the download button here. So you click on it. Then as you can see, it will start downloading. Then it will be downloaded onto your computer. So you can do a lot using ChatGPT. You can do anything that you want to do with your image. So let's move to the next AI tool. For the next AI tool, I'll be using Grok AI. So let's open a new tab. Then let's type Grok AI. So when you come here, let's click on Grok here. So this is the home page of the Grok AI. So what you need to do is to come and click on Try Grok. So let's click on it. And this is the interface of the AI. So this particular AI tool, you can use it for anything that you want. You can use it to generate ideas and so many things. But in this video, we are going to use it to create a Ghibli style. First, before you can upload any image onto Grok, you need to sign up first. So let's go to sign up. So let's verify that you are a human. So let's click on this checkbox here. So you can sign up with your X account. You can sign up with Google, and also you can sign up with Apple. So I'm going to use Google for this particular tutorial. So let's click on Google. So you select the account you want to use. So I'll select this account, then click on continue. So now we have been signed in into this AI. So what you need to do next is to come and click on generate image. So you click on generate image, then you come and click on this icon here, which is attached, so that we can upload an image. So let's click on it. Then let's go to select files. So you are going to use the same image we used in ChatGPT. So let me click on it, then open it. So you wait for a while for your image to be uploaded onto the interface, and as you can see, it's done. So now it's time to add our prompt, and we are going to use the same prompt that we used in ChatGPT. So let's go back and see our prompt. So as you can see, it's convert this image into Ghibli style. So let's go back, then type convert this image into Ghibli style. So when you are done, you come and click on this icon here. Then you wait for a while for your images to be generated. So as you can see, our image has been generated, and it wasn't the kind of image I was expecting. So I'm going to regenerate another one and see how our second one looks like. So this is the image that Grok AI generated for us. So let's go back and regenerate the image again. So let's go back, and you can come and click on regenerate here. So you wait for a while for the image to be regenerated again for you. So our image has been generated, and I think this one is a bit okay, even though the background has been changed, but it looks very nice than the first one. So if you want to save it, you can come and click on save, and it will be saved onto your computer. So now let's compare our two images and see which one is the best. So let's open the two images. Then let's open our original image. So this is our original image. So let me place it in the middle. Then let me close this one. So this is what we generated using this particular image in the middle. And the one on the right side is what we generated using ChatGPT. And the one on the left side is what we generated using Grok AI. So as you can see, there is a big difference between ChatGPT's image and Grok AI's image. So ChatGPT took a long time to generate the image for us, but their images generated was very amazing. And also Grok AI took less time to generate our image, but the quality of the image wasn't that good. And also we had to regenerate the image before we got the nicer one that is here. So for Grok AI and ChatGPT, I will recommend you use ChatGPT to generate your Ghibli-style AI images. So you can try both of them and let me know what you think in the comment section. So this is how you can create this amazing Ghibli-style AI images using ChatGPT and Grok AI. So I will see you in the next video.